Okay, part two of my video. So you can have that weld here, but not here and here. You need to grind it down flush. Okay? Then your door will shut nice and snug. Next thing you want to always do, I don't know how well you can see in there. It's kind of cloudy today. But is you always want to have a log grate or some kind of grating. You can use heavy screening or security screening or grate, or you can even cut down an old log grate or something. But you need something to keep the wood off the bottom, because then you have really good airflow going around your fuel pile for combustion. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. This door is just, I've put 5/16 bolts through here, these, and I've ground them off so there's no burrs when you hit your hand on or anything. You can see how that works. This door latch I put double washers so it slides up and down nice and easy without getting loose. And the inside of the stove, you can paint it with stove black if you want. That's fine also. That would help you, especially if you're going to leave this outside all year in a deer blind or ice shack, what have you, for storage. My log grate, I actually painted with stove black. That'll help it last longer. And if you don't like this stove design, you can see many others on my Slipstream Wash channel. There was something else I was going to tell you guys. I was thinking about. Oh yes. So you notice how the door is way at the bottom here and not in the middle or the top. The reason I did this is so I can open up this door and put wood in here without getting a face full of smoke, because the smoke's going to pull up here and stay in this dome, and I can put it wood in and out. It's a mistake a lot of people make. They don't get that. So you kind of see where I got that door on the bottom, about 2 inches on the bottom. Don't go too much higher. You don't need much fuel in here to run this at a time. I did a BTU test on here, and this unit with red pine was putting out 28,000 BTUs continuously. I was pretty surprised. One of the reasons it's doing that is this is very thick steel. This is like 10 gauge steel. The thicker a vessel you're heating, the better radiative heat effect you have. So even as this fire dies down, this is still going to be throwing a lot of heat for a while. It's kind of like that hot rock effect you might have seen at a campfire, where the rocks around the campfire stay warm for a very long time. And you can see my hole pattern there. It's like a 5/8 bit I used. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this video, even though it was in 2 parts. My camera battery went dead there. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.